And this is my hotel review of the Clarion Hotel here in Portland, Maine. Tour of room 324 here at the Clarion in Portland. And just a quick little room tour. This is what it looks like when you walk in. I should probably put some of the lights on just at a glance. Got the two queen beds. Pretty nice TV. Refrigerator. Microwave. Got a couple of drawers. Got a little desk. Coffee maker. Another light. Mirror. And that nice chair that my backpack is on. As far as the view, good view of a tree in the parking lot. But hey, it wasn't. Ice bucket, can't forget the ice bucket. A few hangers, ironing board, luggage stand. This is the facilities. Very old doorknob. They do have the bended bar in the shower. Have not checked this out yet, but I do like how they give additional soap along with, the other things. It's just shampoo and conditioner. Also the hair dryer on the wall. And that's just our room here at the Clarion at a glance. Room 224. I'm sorry, 324.